All right, guys, this is a continuation of the last video that we posted where we cut the 20-foot long beams to redo the roof of the old shed. And you also can notice, other than my brother in the back there, the new addition to the sawmill, we have purchased a Woodland Mills HM 130 Max. And well, this could be good for Woodland and or bad for Woodland, because we cut a lot of wood. So I know there's a lot of beginners out there that gravitate towards the Woodland Mills due to the price range, probably one of the best price ranges in the market, on the market for that size mill and the widths and capacities that they can cut. But also, Woodland Mills is one of the only sawmill manufacturers right now who do not have long wait times. I literally ordered this mill and it arrived at my house in 1 week and 5 days. Put it together in 1 day. I didn't do a video of, putting the mill together or anything, because there's a million of those out there, and most of them are probably better than what I could do on an instructional video of how to, put something together. But so we set it on a level base here, leveled everything out, got it up off the ground, put cross beams so that we could sweep under the mill. That's what he's doing now. We cut a big pile of cedar on this sawmill, which I took clips, and I'm going to put those in right after I get through talking about it. But yeah, it's been, I think I got 4 hours on this mill so far from new, and everything's been good so far. So I'll give you more updates on that after I get a lot of more hours on there. But so far so good. And as you can see, the old shed that was falling in was replaced. And you know what, if you don't like the construction and the way that that's done, well, that shed was done for 50 years and I just replicated exactly what my grandfather had there. We're in Mississippi. We don't have snow loads or anything like that. It's just not a thing that happens. So we don't have to go extra heavy on that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update, and right after I get done running my mouth, I will post those videos showing this running. I've got several clips I've made while it was operating, and I'll post those now. So yeah.